to place an order on Temu app. Hello everyone, this is Sophia from Create Login and Delete, and in today's video I'll show you guys how you will be able to place an order on Temu app. First of all, go ahead and open your Temu app. You will be led to the home page of Temu. Here, firstly make sure you are logged in, and now go ahead and select an item that you want to purchase. Tap on it. Scroll down and select the color, size of the item and the quantity of the item you have selected. Then tap on to add to cart option. Go ahead and tap on your cart. Here proceed to checkout by selecting and deselecting the items from your cart, and then tap on the checkout button in the interface. That will lead you to firstly make sure you have entered your shipping address, and now select your shipping method and then select your payment method. Now tap on the submit order button. You will be asked to enter your card number, your card expiration date and the CVV of your card. So go ahead and enter all the details and then tap on submit order option. That is how you place an order on Temu. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides and tips. Have any question or additional tips on Temu? Drop a comment below. Happy shopping!